Good morning. This is David Lynn, your Prepper Principal. It is May the 2nd, Sunday, probably about 8 o'clock in the morning. And it's been a week or so since I posted a video. I did one, the last one I did was on a ration review. I try to do more, I try to do mainly Prepper related type videos. Purchases that I've made at good deals, things that you can use, for hard times, and if anything was to ever happen. So today I'm going to show y'all a few preps that I've made over the last month or so that I've been saving up and I hadn't showed, and I haven't unboxed or anything, or if there's unboxing to be done. And I'll talk to you a little bit about pricing. I have a Walmart about a mile from where I live, and it is an older Walmart. It's one of the older stores. It's a nice big. It's considered a market store. It's got more business than any other store in the area. There's two Walmarts in Victoria. I hardly ever go over to the south side store. I basically live on the north side, and I go to the north side store. And you can buy all sorts of stuff over there. You can order stuff online. You can get lots of good stuff. So I'm going to show you a few of the more recent purchases that I've made. To begin with, I want to go ahead and pull out. I've been saving this here, and I want to do this as an unbox. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is a Winchester air rifle, 177 caliber break barrel pellet rifle, composite stock, rifled steel barrel, 1100 feet per second, maximum velocity with alloy pellets, single pump. Takes 177 caliber pellets. Okay, so that you know, they had these marked for about 60 some odd dollars normally, and they take pellets. These are little 177 caliber pellets. This is a little 250 count. And the pellets are really small. Little. You can barely see it. This would be good for target practicing. It would be good for squirrels and birds and small game, small pests. So I was able to get this $15.75. I don't know if you can see this. I paid $15.75 for this on clearance. I also bought the pellets for $2.47. That's what you call, getting a good deal on clearance. So let's open it up and see what's in here. I'm going to use my Gerber that I got for $5 on sale, clearance. It was originally a 20 some odd dollar knife. You can get deals. This is the back side of the box. It talks about specifications, ammunition, barrel, sights, various things. Maximum shooting distance 305 yards. I've got a scope that I got for it. I'll show you the scope. Paid $8 for it. A little 4X Tasco. They're made for air rifles and for 22s. This is not a light gun. Winchester air rifle gives you all the information on it, and you can put a scope on it. It's got fixed sights, adjustable for windage and elevation. Made in China. Oh Lord, here we go. Made in China. It's got its own serial number. I'm gonna set this aside over here. Sit you right there. Now, I bought the scope, little Tasco, $8. Rimfire scope 4X, 15 millimeters, a little cheapo for that air rifle. I'm gonna probably going to sight it in for about 50 yards. That'd be 150 feet. And I'll use it for plinking and for target practice. You can mount it. It's got little covers for your optical sight. It's adjustable for windage and elevation. You mount it on your rifle. I'll mount it. So I'll be shooting 177 caliber pellets. Now, I've got a sock. Well, I got a couple of socks. I bought these socks for, you know, weapons. And I bought a air rifle case for my air rifle. It's a 48, hold up to a 48 inch, which is 4 feet. I mean, I always try to get things at good prices. So, end of the season, it's getting warmer, the weather's better. Walmart will discontinue and clearance items at the end of a season, or when new stuff comes out and they mark it way down. So I've been buying lots of fire starter and fire logs and such. And I don't have them. I give a lot of them to my wife and she puts them away. But I wanted to save some samples. Lights, wood fast, fire starter premium all purpose. Burns up to 18 minutes. Quick lighting and powerful. 12 cubes. Duraflame fire start cubes. 18. I'm buying stuff and I'm paying like 75 cents a package for it. The big logs, I was paying $1.25 for the big logs. So I'll go over some other stuff that I've been purchasing. But you can get stuff inexpensive if you know when to go and how to go about doing it. This is a this is by Camless This is a 4-piece camp kit. It's got a flask. It's got a collapsible cup. It's got a multi-tool spoon. It's got a multi-tool fork. It's got all sorts of little, you know. And I paid $3 for this. And good deal. Now, when I get a rifle, or one that I would plan on using, or a shotgun I would plan on using, it's always a good idea, if you can, to put a sleeve on the end of the butt, and usually those sleeves will hold 5 extra rounds. So like with a 20 gauge or 12 gauge shotgun and you're planning on using it for home defense, and I'll do a video and show you what I've got, and I get, you know, good deals and stuff. I've got a couple of short barrel 18.5 inch Stevens shotguns. I got a 12 gauge and a 20 gauge, and I paid less than $200 for each one, closer to $150. Nice pump action, and something tactically you could use. I really wouldn't want to try to use it for bird hunting, because it's not really made for that, and you use buckshot in it. So like in a 12 gauge version, you'd use double up buck, and I got plenty of that. And in the 20 gauge version, you'd use triple up buck, and I got plenty of that. And right now, buckshot's going for about $1 a round when you can get it. If you can get it, you either get a 5-pack or you get a 15-pack. That's usually what comes in, like at Walmart. And then they have bandoliers that you can purchase. And this is a bandolier that I had, and I have one for my 20 gauge, and I bought this one for a 12 gauge. And 25 rounds, you can put 25 rounds, so like I put 25 rounds of buckshot on it, adjust it, and you can wear it around your chest, you know, like a zombie apocalypse or whatever. Or you could actually put birdshot in it, you know, and you could carry birdshot, you know, if you're going to go bird hunting, or if you're going to go, you know, shoot some clays, which I would do with a longer barrel version shotgun. Not expensive. Ooh. So let me show you some ammunition. 22 WMR. These are 4 packs. 22 WMR. 50 rounds to a pack. 40 grain. I have 17 HMR. $50 rounds in here. These are copper hollow points, magnums, 1,875 feet per second. That's going for $11.47 for 50. This is a 4-pack. This is a 125 pack of WMR 22 hollow points, jacket hollow points. Same thing as these. This is 125, and price wise, I paid $22.84 for that. The shell belt I paid $7.97 for. Then this is HMR, 17 HMR varmint ammunition. 200 pack. This is 2,650 feet per second. 200 cartridges. Come on now. Heck. Well, I have 2 of these. I bought 2 of them. That's 400 rounds. I have over 500 rounds of 17 HMR from my 17 HMR. This one's opening better. That way I can show you what it looks like. So you get 4 packs of these in there. Ooh, that was dumb of me. Ooh, Lord. Well, I'll have to repack y'all. Those came out. Oh, my first tragedy of the video. Alright, I'll have to hunt those down. 22 long rifle. This is 40 grain, 1,300 feet per second, copper plated, optimized for semi-automatics. I would shoot this in my 22 long rifle Ruger 1022. I'd shoot this in my lever action Henry 22. 794 for 100 rounds. It's going for about $4 for a 50. Anything else I want to show right now? Well, I need to get this stuff put away, cleaned up. I need to pick up the ones I dropped. Before I close this video out, I'd like to do a shout out to a gentleman that watches a lot of channels. He subscribes mine, he watches my videos religiously. He doesn't have his own channel, but he goes by Michael58. This is a shout out to Michael58. And I'll post a link in case you want to subscribe him. He has a few subscribers, but he doesn't post content. He's a great supporter. And Michael, this is a shout out to you, and thank you for your support of my channel. And I know you watch a lot of the channels that I watch, and I see your comments, and I appreciate that. I'm trying to grow the channel. I seem to be stuck right at 380 followers. I'd like to get up over 400 if I can. YouTube seems to have taken me off the recommended list. My videos are not getting that many views right now. Last few videos got less than 100 views, and I don't know why, because I'm posting basically the same stuff, and usually I post about once a month, but I posted about 3 videos in the last couple of weeks. I'm trying to post a little bit more, and they say post more videos, you know. I believe in the Boy Scout motto, be prepared. I was a scout. I believe in prepping. I call myself the prepper principal. I'm a retired school administrator, put 30 years in. And please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment to support the channel. My email address and my P.O. box will be posted in the description of the video. Send me something. Write me, email me, I respond. Love the communication. Always be prepared, and have a blessed day. Your Prepper Principal's out.